Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're plunging headfirst into a topic that gets many of us, well, really excited. Tech deals.
Oh, yeah.
Specifically, we're doing a deep dive into the Best Buy 4th of July 2025 sale preview, but we're not stopping there. We've combined that with some incredibly helpful curated tech deals and their smart alternatives from across the market.
Exactly. Our mission today is to sort of sift through all the marketing buzz, extract the most important nuggets of knowledge from these sources, and equip you, our listener, with the true insights needed to navigate these sales like a seasoned pro.
Right.
We're not just looking at what's on sale, but why it matters.
Yeah.
You know, what the underlying technology truly offers and what other smart options you have out there.
Okay, let's unpack this then. We've got a fantastic preview of what Best Buy is putting out there for the 4th of July, and then a really detailed breakdown of specific items, their highlights, and importantly, crucial alternatives. Think of this as your shortcut to making smart, informed decisions without feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of choices. It's about getting that aha moment fast.
Absolutely, getting clarity.
Let's start with the absolute showstoppers of any living room, the TVs. Our sources highlight a couple of really interesting options that span the price spectrum.
Right.
First up, the LG C4 OLED 65-inch TV. This one is listed at $1,299.99, which is a $300 saving at Best Buy. Now, for that kind of investment, what makes the C4 really stand out?
Well, what's truly fascinating here, and what our sources really emphasize, is that it's positioned for best-in-class picture and gaming performance.
Okay, best in class.
Yeah. And when you hear about its i9 Gen 7 AI processor, you should think of it as the TV's super smart brain. It's constantly optimizing everything on screen, like colors, motion, making content look incredibly lifelike, even upscaling older shows.
Ah, okay.
Those 4 HDMI 2.1 ports paired with a 144 Hz refresh rate are absolutely crucial for serious gamers and movie enthusiasts.
HDMI 2.1, that's the C one, right?
It really is.
Yeah.
HDMI 2.1 means you can connect next-gen consoles or high-end soundbars without any bottlenecks. And that 144 Hz refresh rate ensures silky smooth motion, eliminating blur in fast-paced action scenes. It's about future-proofing your entertainment.
Gotcha. So it's not just about a pretty picture, it's about a seamless high-performance experience, especially for gaming. But if you're considering a premium TV, what are some of the other top contenders? Maybe things that deliver similar punch or perhaps offer different strengths.
Exactly. And if we connect this to the bigger picture of finding the right premium TV, it's worth considering these alternatives.
Okay.
Take the LG B4 OLED, for instance, available from 48 to 65 inches.
Okay.
Now, OLED, which stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode, is unique because each pixel generates its own light. This allows for perfect blacks and infinite contrast, giving you incredibly vibrant and realistic images.
Right, that's the OLED magic.
That's it.
Yeah.
The B4 offers similar core OLED performance to the C4, but at a slightly lower peak brightness. Crucially, the 48-inch B4 model is available for around $599.
Wow, $599.
Yeah, which raises an important question. How much brightness do you really need for your viewing environment?
Good point.
Then there's the Hisense U7N Mini LED in 65 inches. Now, Mini LED tech uses thousands of tiny LEDs for backlighting, allowing for incredible brightness and very precise local dimming.
So brighter than OLED sometimes.
Often, yeah. The U7N offers excellent brightness and gaming features at a more budget-friendly price, showing how Mini LED can seriously compete with OLED on sheer luminosity. And for another direct OLED competitor, the Samsung S90D OLED, also 65 inches, features an anti-reflection screen and slightly better brightness.
Anti-reflection. That's interesting.
It is. That layer addresses a common pain point, glare from windows or lights, which can be a total game changer depending on your living room setup.
That's a great breakdown of options within that premium space. Really helpful. But what if you're not looking to, break the bank for a main living room TV, maybe for a guest room or a casual viewing space? Shifting gears to a more budget-conscious option, we have the Toshiba C350 65i or Fire TV, priced around $219.99. That's about 45% off its typical $400. What's the main draw here? Feels like a steal.
It does feel like a steal. Its core appeal is pure convenience and integrated smart functionality straight out of the box. It's a TV with Fire OS, Amazon's smart TV platform, built right in.
Ah, okay, so no extra step needed.
Exactly. That means access to all your streaming apps, a live TV guide, and even Alexa voice control without needing any extra devices. It's essentially an all-in-one smart hub disguised as a television.
Hmm.
For many people, a TV that's this easy to set up and use is a top priority, especially at this kind of price point.
Makes sense. And for alternatives that still offer great value, but maybe step it up a bit.
Absolutely. The Samsung 55R Q 60D QLED is worth considering for about $449.99. Now, QLED, or quantum dot LED, enhances brightness and color saturation using a layer of quantum dots.
Right, QLED. Different from OLED.
Different tech, yeah. It offers a noticeable step up in picture quality with quantum HDR high dynamic range, which means brighter whites and darker blacks for a more vibrant image overall.
Okay.
Or, for another user-friendly option, the Roku 55 HDR Select Series 4K is super popular for its incredibly intuitive smart UI, available for $269.99.
Roku's interface is famously simple.
It really is. If simplicity and just a straightforward interface are paramount, Roku is often the go-to choice for a lot of folks.
Okay, cool. Moving from entertainment to peace of mind, let's talk about home security with the Blink Outdoor 3rd Gen camera kit. This is a 3-camera kit for $224.99. What are its key features and what makes it compelling in such a crowded security camera market?
Yeah, it is crowded. And here's where it gets really interesting, especially for those maybe worried about ongoing costs.
Subscriptions.
Exactly. The Blink Outdoor camera is completely wire-free, which makes installation incredibly easy. You can basically place it anywhere. It boasts an impressive 2-year battery life.
2 years, wow.
2 years. It's weather-resistant, provides clear 1080p video, and offers two-way audio so you can speak to visitors or, deter intruders. But the significant highlight, which raises that important question about hidden costs, is that no subscription needed is explicitly mentioned for basic functionality.
Okay, that's big.
It's a huge differentiator in a market increasingly dominated by monthly fees for cloud storage and advanced features.
2-year battery life and no subscription. That almost sounds too good to be true for an outdoor camera. Are there any, trade-offs compared to systems that do require a subscription?
That's an excellent question, and it's where looking at the alternatives becomes so vital.
Right.
For instance, the Ring Spotlight Cam battery offers a similar feature set, wire-free setup, two-way audio, but it comes with an optional subscription.
Optional, okay.
Optional. But that subscription unlocks features like cloud video history and person detection, which Blink might offer only through its paid plan, or maybe not at all. So while Ring's subscription is optional, many users find it kind of necessary to get the full functionality they want.
Ah, I see.
Another strong alternative is the Eufy Cam 2C Pro. This one directly addresses the subscription concern by providing local storage via a home base.
Local storage, so it stays at your house.
Exactly. Your footage stays on site, offering a more privacy-focused, subscription-free option with good video clarity. So it really comes down to whether you prioritize that ultra-long battery life with basic free features, or if you're willing to pay a subscription for enhanced cloud features, or if local storage is your absolute preference.
Lots to weigh up there. Okay, our sources also dive into some personal tech essentials, starting with smartphones. Now, flagship phones are always fascinating. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is highlighted as an alt flagship, priced at $1,015 unlocked internationally. The non-Ultra S25 is available for $579 with a contract. What makes the Ultra a device that, commands that kind of price point?
The S25 Ultra is truly designed for users who want top-tier performance and photography capabilities without compromise. It goes all out.
Right.
Its core appeal lies in the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which ensures lightning-fast performance for everything from gaming to heavy multitasking. The flagship camera, with its impressive 50x zoom, is where it truly shines, letting you capture incredible detail from a distance.
The 50x zoom is pretty wild.
It is. And of course, the premium design and build quality are hallmarks of Samsung's Ultra line. It's really for the user who demands the absolute best in mobile technology and photography.
So it's about pushing the boundaries of what a phone can do. Got it. But for someone who wants that high-end experience without all the bells and whistles, or perhaps prioritizes different features, what are the smart alternatives?
Yeah, good question. When we talk alternatives, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL immediately comes to mind.
Ah, the Pixel.
Google's strength isn't just raw specs, it's computational photography. The Pixel 9 Pro XL offers an excellent AI-powered camera experience that often rivals or even surpasses other flagships in real-world use, especially in tricky lighting, and often at a lower cost. It's for the person who values an intuitive camera that just works brilliantly.
Okay.
Then, for a completely different approach, the Samsung Galaxy S25 5G is a solid mid-tier value option. It provides reliable everyday performance and a great balance of features for its price, especially when it goes on sale.
Right, more pragmatic.
Exactly. It's a pragmatic choice for someone who wants a dependable smartphone without the premium cost of a flagship.
Speaking of portable tech, nothing's worse than your phone dying when you're out and about.
Ugh, tell me about it.
For portable power, the Anker PowerCore plus 26800 mAh charger is listed at $100.31. What makes this a standout in a market just flooded with power banks?
The key highlights here are really about scale and efficiency. That 26800 mAh capacity is massive.
Sounds massive.
It means you can charge most smartphones like 5-7 times, or even fully charge a tablet or a small laptop. It's about ensuring you have power for multiple devices, multiple times over an extended period.
Right.
Coupled with Quick Charge 3.0, which lets compatible devices charge significantly faster than standard chargers and multiple USB ports, this unit is just designed to keep a whole suite of gadgets powered up through long trips, power outages, or busy workdays. It's like a foundational piece of your portable tech kit.
That's impressive capacity. But what if you need something maybe more compact for daily commutes, or you prioritize specific charging tech like USB-C, PD?
Good question.
Yeah.
The alternatives definitely highlight different priorities. The Anker PowerCore 10,000 PD, for example, is a much smaller 10,000 mAh size, but it has USB-C power delivery, or PD.
Okay, smaller but faster charging for some things.
Potentially, yeah. It shows how form factor and charging speed for specific devices, like newer phones or laptops, can be prioritized over sheer capacity. While it won't charge a laptop multiple times, it's perfect for quickly topping up a phone or tablet on the go.
Right.
Then there's the RV Power 20,000 mAh PD 3.0. This offers a similar high capacity to the Anker PowerCore Plus, but also really emphasizes fast charging with PD 3.0, providing another strong contender for those who need both lots of power and rapid delivery for their devices.
Okay, options for every need there. Let's shift gears again and look at something for keeping the home spick and span. For pet owners especially, a good vacuum is indispensable.
Oh, absolutely.
The Shark Pet Pro cordless vacuum is listed at $252.99. What are its defining features? What makes it Pet Pro?
Well, as the Pet Pro name suggests, this vacuum is specifically designed with pet owners in mind. Its main features include a multi-FLNX foldable wand.
Multi-F?
Yeah, it bends in the middle, which makes it incredibly easy to get under furniture without you having to bend over. Really clever.
Ah, nice.
Plus a HEPA filter, which is crucial for trapping allergens and pet dander to improve air quality, 40 minutes of runtime, and of course a specialized pet tool included for tackling stubborn pet hair on upholstery and stairs. Is really built for convenience and powerful cleaning in a pet-filled home.
So it's built to address those specific pet-related cleaning challenges. Makes sense. But if someone's looking for, say, the gold standard in cordless vacuums or perhaps a different kind of smart cleaning tech, what are the leading alternatives?
The Dyson V8 is often considered the aspirational choice in this category.
Right. Everyone knows Dyson.
Exactly. Known for its incredibly strong suction and a decent runtime, it was around $469 and is now often discounted to around $349. Dyson really pioneered many of the cordless vacuum features we see today, and the V8 still offers genuinely premium performance. Now, for a more smart approach, the Tineco Pure 1 S11 is an excellent alternative. It features smart capabilities, like automatically adjusting suction power based on the amount of dirt it detects.
Whoa, it detects dirt.
Yeah, it does. And it's also very effective at handling pet hair. This introduces the concept of a vacuum that almost thinks for itself, making cleaning feel truly effortless. It's often deeply discounted during sales, too, making it a really compelling option.
A thinking vacuum. It's interesting. And finally, for personal audio, we have a high-end option that often generates a lot of discussion. The Apple AirPods Max USB-C, priced at $539.99. For that price, what exactly are you getting?
These are squarely aimed at a premium audio experience with deep Apple ecosystem integration. That's key.
Right.
You're getting studio-grade audio quality, active noise cancellation ANC, which is phenomenal for blocking out ambient noise and letting you truly immerse yourself in your music or podcasts.
ANC is huge these days.
It really is. They also feature spatial audio, which creates this kind of three-dimensional soundscape, making it feel like sound is coming from all around you. Great for movies, some music tracks, and of course the USB-C connectivity brings it up to modern standards. It's really about a seamless, high-fidelity audio experience, especially if you're already deeply invested in Apple devices.
Okay. Given that premium price point, though, what are the alternatives? Maybe ones that offer similar high-end features or perhaps better value for those not locked into the Apple ecosystem.
Definitely alternatives to consider. For instance, the Beats Studio Buds offer active noise cancellation at a much lower price point, often on sale. They provide a more budget-friendly entry into the ANC space, particularly for those who still want solid sound and good noise isolation.
Okay, a more accessible ANC option.
Exactly. However, for many audiophiles and frequent travelers, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are often considered top tier for both ANC and pure sound quality.
Ah, yes, the Sonys. Heard great things.
They consistently get rave reviews. They often outcompete the AirPods Max in noise cancellation performance and are frequently available at holiday discounts, making them a very strong contender for anyone prioritizing superior audio performance and quiet over that deep Apple integration.
Good to know. Okay, so as we've looked at this whole collection of deals and their alternatives, from TVs to headphones, what stands out to you as the overarching theme here?
Well, if we connect this to the bigger picture, what's really fascinating, I think, is the consistent theme of finding true value beyond just the discount percentage.
Right, not just the sale price.
Exactly. It's not simply about the price tag. It's about really weighing features like the specific AI processor in a TV that enhances your viewing, or the local storage options of a camera that protect your privacy, or the battery capacity of a power bank that keeps you connected for days. These curated alternatives really empower you, the listener, to make a tailored choice based on your actual needs and budget, not just the loudest advertised deal.
So what does this all mean for you, our listener? It means approaching sales with an incredibly informed perspective, realizing that the advertised deal is just one piece of the puzzle.
Absolutely.
The true value lies in knowing the specific features you need, understanding the nuances of the technology, and knowing the full range of intelligent options available to you, both on sale and maybe even off sale sometimes.
Precisely.
We've unpacked a fantastic array of potential deals for the 4th of July, from high-end TVs and flagship phones to essential home security and smart cleaning devices. We've highlighted the key features and, crucially, explored the intelligent alternatives provided by our sources, really giving you the complete picture.
Yeah, this deep dive wasn't just about what's on sale. It was about understanding the specific value propositions of each item and its competitors. It's about being a smarter, more discerning consumer who understands the underlying tech and its real-world impact, rather than just chasing the lowest price or the flashiest ad.
And that brings us to our final thought for you to mull over. How might this approach, meticulously breaking down specific product features, understanding their true impact, and exploring well-researched alternatives, change how you make decisions, not just for tech, but maybe for any significant purchase in your life?
Good question.
Keep that question in mind as you go about your day. Thanks for diving deep with us.
Thanks, everyone.
We'll catch you on the next one.